Good morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss about skew lines. What is the meaning of skew lines? Two lines on space are said to be skew lines if both the lines are not parallel and not intersect each other. But one question arises. On space, if you are drawing two lines, suppose on plane you are drawing two lines and these two lines are not parallel. That means they intersect at a point. But on space, if you are drawing two lines and both lines are not parallel, you just follow this. Suppose I am taking here, this is one line and this is another line. These two lines are parallel. I am doing like this, so no doubt these two lines are intersect each other. But if I do like this one, then these two lines are not parallel and not intersect each other. That means in between these two lines there is a distance. So these two lines are called as skew lines. So now the question is, how to find the distance between these two skew lines? So here, you consider R is equal to this, another line R is equal to this one. So how to proceed in this case? Particularly in this case, you arrange the given equation of line as standard for that is R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda into B1 vector, and another line is R vector is equal to A2 vector plus mu into B2 vector. Understood? Then in second point, you just find out the value of A1, A2 vector and A2 vector minus A1 vector. Also find B1 vector, B2 vector and B1 cross B2 vector. Understood? So what is the distance between them? If the lines are drawing like this, the distance between them is this. This is L1, this is L2, here it is P, here it is P. So P is perpendicular to line L1. This PQ is perpendicular to L1 and PQ also perpendicular to L2. Understood my point? So this distance PQ here, find PQ, you just use this formula here. It is B1 cross B2 dot A2 vector minus A1 vector whole divided by B1 cross B magnitude. So this is the formula to find out this distance PQ. So if these two lines are not parallel, that means distance between them, here it is PQ and this is the PQ. To find the distance between two skew lines, it is B1 plus B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 plus B2. But one question arises, if these two lines are intersect on space, this is the condition for skew lines, yes or no? If they are intersect each other, that means the distance between them is 0, yes or no? So here is the condition also. If two lines are intersect on space, what is the condition? You may use this condition. If two lines are intersect, this is the important condition. Here distance PQ is equal to 0. Understood or not? If this PQ is equal to 0, then this part you have to consider here B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 is equal to 0. This is very, very important. This is another condition for two lines are intersect on space. This distance here PQ is equal to 0. That is B1 plus B2 dot A2 minus A1 is equal to 0. So in Cartesian form, if L1 is the line x minus x1 by A1, y minus y1 by B1, z minus z1 by C1, and another line L2 is equal to here x minus x2 divided by A2, y minus y2 divided by B2, Z minus Z2 divided by C2. So in this case, what is about distance between these two skew lines? This is P, this is Q. Here PQ, this is equal to, you have to find out determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Here a1 a2, this is b1 b2, this is c1 c2, whole divided by square root of, this is a1 a2 b1 b2 square plus b1 b2 c1 c2 square plus c1 c2 a1 a2 whole square. Understood? This is very, very important. You have to remember this formula. This is very simple. You arrange like this standard form, find out x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Then use only here. This is the determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 divided by this magnitude of this. This is magnitude of this much. You have to remember this formula. This is very simple. And here in this case, if two lines are intersect each other, then what is the condition? Only you have to consider this is equal to 0. Got my point? So very, very important. Two lines are intersect each other. If x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, this is equal to 0. Understood? This is very, very simple thing, and this is very, very important. In three-dimensional geometry, you have to remember only formulas. Okay. Now here, another part. If two lines are parallel, what is about distance between them? If lines are parallel, I am writing here distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. I am taking here one line, r is equal to a1 vector plus lambda into another line, it is a2 vector plus mu into b2 vector. But here given it is the parallel lines, if these two lines are parallel, what is the condition? This b1 and b2, b1 vector divided by b2 vector is equal to any constant. That constant I am taking here a, or b1 vector is equal to any constant into b2 vector. Understood my point? So in this case, here you may write r vector is equal to mu into whatever here I am taking, this is b, got it, mu into b vector. These two lines are parallel, means these two vectors are equal, or one vector divided by another vector is equal to any constant. Understood? So in this case, what is our distance? So distance is here magnitude of b vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector divided by magnitude of b vector. Understood? So this is very, very simple. You have to find out whatever the values of here x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, or a1 vector, b1 vector. Got my point? And in case of parallel vector, these two vectors are equal. This is very, very important. And you follow this video perfectly, then try to make the notes. Then after you try to do some questions from your textbook.